Okay, let's take a look at question number 4 from 8.1.5b homework. Let's first of all look at x, and let's see how it relates to the shape that I have over here. The first thing I know is that this angle here is also x because those are corresponding angles of parallel lines. This is also x because those are vertical angles. Now, if I add up all the angles in a pentagon, I have to figure out the sum of those angles to see what that equals. So there are 5 sides. To find the sum of the interior angles, I subtract 2 because that gives me the number of triangles, and then multiply by 180. When you do that, you end up with 540. Now I just need to add all of the angles together and set it equal to 540. So we have 99 plus 110 plus 90 plus 123 plus x is equal to 540. Now, when I combine my like terms and add all those together, I end up with 422. So I have 422 plus x is equal to 540. Now I subtract 422, subtract 422, and we end up with x is equal to 118.